If you're making AI action films, 1v1 fight scenes are your secret weapon. I'm about to show you the exact workflow to control every single motion in your fight scene, and it actually works. The secret is choreography. Basically, we're going to create a dance or fighting sequence first, convert that into a visual motion reference, and then use that to guide how our AI characters move during video generation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take any fight choreography you create, turn it into a reference sheet, and use it to generate video. Whether it's a knife fight, hand-to-hand combat, or even a dance scene, you'll be able to apply this same process. Let's get started. Alright, so the first step is creating a character reference sheet. I already have mine here, but here's how you make yours. There's a link in the description with the exact prompt you need. All you do is take that prompt, add your character description, and paste it into an image generator. It will create a grid image showing your character from different angles. That's your character reference sheet. Now, in this tutorial, I'm working with two characters because we're building a 1v1 fight scene. Basically, that means one character fighting another character in a direct confrontation. And here's why that matters. 1v1 fights are incredibly engaging. They keep viewers watching because there's clear tension between two people. The problem is, we haven't had a reliable way to actually execute them until now. With ChatGPT Image 2 and Sedance 2, we're finally at a point where we can generate fight scenes that actually look good. So once you've created your character reference sheets for both characters, let's call them character 1 and character 2, you'll have exactly what you need to move to the next part. That's what we're doing next. Once you have your character reference sheets, we need to set up our prompts. Head over to my Telegram channel, the link is in the description, and download the master prompt. This is the core prompt we're going to use for everything that follows. Now open Claude. You can either upload the markdown file you downloaded from my Telegram channel or open it with Notepad and copy, and then paste the copied prompt to Claude and run the prompt. Now, Claude will ask for the character images and video ideas. Upload the character reference sheet you character and signify the main character and other characters. Also, describe your video ideas like 1v1 martial art fight scene or dance scene. You can use any of prompt for your scene and run the prompt and let Claude respond. Claude will now give you two prompts, one for motion reference and another for Sedance 2 video generation. Now we're going to generate the motion reference sheet, and this is crucial because this is what's going to guide how your characters actually move. Copy the motion reference sheet prompt from Claude. Then go to OpenArt and click on Image. We're using GPT Image 2 as our model, so make sure that's selected. Now you need to reference your characters. I'm attaching character 1 and character 2, the same ones from your character reference sheets. Paste your prompt here. Now you need to customize it slightly. For character 1, find where it says the character placeholder and replace it with image at this is character 1. For character 2, do the same thing and write image at this is character 2. This tells the model exactly which image corresponds to which character. Change the generation count to 1. We only need one version of this. For the aspect ratio, choose 16:9 landscape. For quality, you can go low or medium. I'm using medium because it gives us better detail without using too many credits. Then click generate and wait a few seconds. What you're going to see is a 16-panel grid showing the choreography positions for both characters. That's your motion reference sheet, and it's what we're going to use next. Alright, now we have our motion reference sheet. This is what's going to control how your characters actually move in the final video. Go back to OpenArt and click on video. We're going to use Sedance 2 as our model, and we're going to select text to reference mode. Basically, this means we're giving the AI both written instructions and visual references for how to generate the movement. Before we dive in, we need to grab the second prompt from Claude. Go back, open that second prompt, copy it, and come back to OpenArt to paste it here. Now we need to edit this prompt to match our specific characters and setup. We're going to customize it in the next step, so don't worry about getting it perfect right now. Just paste it in and we'll refine it from there. You'll see that there are placeholders in the prompt names, character references, motion references. All of those are going to get filled in as we move forward. This is where everything comes together, so make sure you have both your character reference sheet and your motion reference sheet ready to go. Let's finalize everything. First, edit that prompt we just pasted. Remove the text placeholders and upload your character references the same way you did before. Make sure you're using the exact characters you want in your fight scene. Next, you need to add the motion reference. Go to Media, select Creations, find that 1/6 panel grid image we just generated and add it. This tells the AI exactly what movements to follow. Now edit the text in the prompt. For character 1, change the name to match your character, let's say Knife, if that's what they're using. For character 2, edit the name to match as well. Then for the motion reference instruction, write this. Follow the 1/6 panel choreography strictly. Character 1 always primary. You can add a colon and reference that 16 panel at image 1 to make it clear which grid you're referring to. Once everything is set, switch your video length to 15 seconds. For resolution, go with 480p to save on credits. Toggle audio on and make sure the mode is set to normal. Now you're ready. Hit generate and wait a few seconds for OpenArt to create your video. And that's it. You now have a complete 1v1 fight scene with controlled motion. If you want to generate a dance scene or any other choreographed action, you follow this exact same approach. That's how you control motion in AI filmmaking. See you on the next one.